Good morning, students. From Standard 6 English Medium. Chapter number 2. What is the chapter name? Noun, number. Okay. In this chapter, I have discussed some noun. Okay, singular and plural, and we do the exercise. We did it. Now, today I am going to explain the number third. Plural forms of nouns ending in O. Means the last letter of the noun is given what? Given with O. Okay, let's see. There are here given some nouns, singular, and how to change into plural. Let's see. Okay, the last letter of these nouns is O. Okay, but before that, here given the remember. What you remember? Nouns ending in O usually take es at the end of the singular form to form their plural forms. Let's see, here are some given the words of noun and change in plural forms. How? Let's see it. Here the first word is buffalo. Buffalo means the last letter is O, and we put what? We put here es. This in this given the box, in this box we put es, okay, after O, and make it into plural, singular into plural. See, here given the buffalo, singular form, change buffaloes, es, hero, heroes, mosquito, mosquitoes, echo, echoes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. So this is how some words given here ending with O later, and we put what? We add only es after that O and change into plural. Here are some words given. If the word given volcano, what? Volcano. What we add at last? Es after this O. Here volcano. Then given the word domino. Domino pizza. Domino is the word, last letter is O, then what we add? Es. So change into plural, dominoes. Then the word torpedo. Torpedo is the word, the last letter ending with O, then we add es, then they make into plural form. So this is how we add es when after the O and make it into plural. Now comes with this second exercise. However, these words, though ending in O, do not follow the rule mentioned above, which ending with O we put es. But in this form we do not follow the same rule. They take s at the end of and not es. So here are some words given. Some words given this, but we do not put es. Here at the end of this O we only write s. So फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में क्या था? फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में एंडिंग विथ लास्ट लेटर ओ था, हमने क्या लिखा था? es. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है? कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे भी है जिसके बाद लास्ट लेटर ओ हो तो भी हम सिर्फ s लिख सकते हैं, वो हमें याद रखना है. Let's see which are the word. Here given Eskimo. So what we write in make into plural? Eskimos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Radio, radios. Zero, zeros. Only S. Studio, studios. Ratio, ratios. Stereo, stereos. So here are some words. Instead of these words, there are many more words. Which are they? We put only what? S. Let's see. Here given the word video. In this noun, the last letter is O, but what we add? Only S and make into plural. The next word is here given zoo. Last letter O. We cannot add es, we only add s. Then the word, the name of kangaroo. What? Kangaroo. But we do not add es here, also we add s. Then next word is expo. Expo. Then what the last letter is o, we add s, then the expos. Then the word solo, S-O-L-O, S-O-L-O, the last letter o is given, we add only s, make, and this word going to change into plural form, solos. So this is how there are some words we add only s and change into plural. Okay, now comes to the next, number 4. Now comes to the y. Okay, if the last letter of a noun, means the name noun, is y, and there is a consonant before the last letter y is changed into ies in the plural form. See, baby and boy is given singular. What is right here? Boy. So you keep in your mind what? Vowel. What? Vowel. Which are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowel. If the letter y is given and before the y these vowels comes, then you add only s. If not given this vowel, you remove the y and add ies and make that word into plural. Let's see how. See, the example is given B-A-B-Y. The last letter is y, and I already write before that the vowels. The vowel A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. In these vowels, before y there isn't given any vowel. So what here do? We write B-A-B, then change I-E-S. Remove y and change into ies. But given boy, boy, see, y is given and before that o is given, one of the vowels. Okay, A-E-I-O-U. Here o is given, vowel, one of the vowel. So we cannot remove the y, we add only s. तो आपको याद ये रखना है कि y के आगे अगर वॉवेल न हो, वॉवेल कितने हैं? 5, A-E-I-O-U. वॉवेल हो तो आपको s लिखना है, अगर वॉवेल न हो तो y को रिमूव करके ies लिखना है और प्लूरल में चेंज करना है. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं, सिंगुलर प्लूरल. यहाँ पर y वाले हैं. ओके, नाउ सी हियर गिवन सम words: berry, city, dairy, army, deity, fairy. These words berry are y, so remove this y and what? Add ies, berries. City, remove y and add ies. Dairy, remove y and add ies. Army, remove y, add ies. Deity, fairy, y, remove and ies. Instead of these words given, there are so many words. A boy, then here given the toy. But before that I write here the changing. Then baby, then army. The word army is here given. The next word supply. Supply. Supply ending the last letter given y. We remove it when we change it and adding what? ies. So change supplies. Okay, then the word spy, spy. Spy is a noun. Okay, noun. The last letter is y, but when we change this spy into plural word, we write sp then ies, spies. Then the word body, body. Body, the last letter y is given, but what we write bod and remove y and adding ies and make it into plural. So this is how we make the plural form ending with the y letter. But here there are some words ending with y and before that vowel comes. Which vowel? See. The first toy, the second monkey, then the third day. Okay, ending what? Toy, y, and before that see one of the vowel a, e, I, o, u. These 5 vowels. In this 5 vowel before that o is given, here e and here a. So what we do? Only add s after y and change into plural. There are many more words. Way, bay, key and kidney. Okay, way, a y s, bay adding s, key adding s, kidneys y and s before that vowel comes. Okay, so this is how we make this plural form. Now comes to the exercise. Here exercise is given. What is the exercise? See, complete the following sentences by filling the gaps with the correct forms of nouns given in brackets. If the sentence in this sentence given the word before that, how, what we put singular or plural form of the word given in the bracket? Let's see. Number 1, I watched. Here given 3, not a singular but 3 here given in the bracket film last weekend, means last weekend. I watched 3 what? films given in plural form. So in the first blank you write films, films. This is the answer of the first blanks. Okay, given 3, not singular, given as plural of this word films. Come to the second. The National Library has a article a is given, so collection, what you write? Same, collection, don't put it in plural, collection. What is the second answer? Collection. Okay, a collection of very rare. Okay, collection, together books. Very rare, here given what? Book, but very rare, not book, given here plural form, books. What? Books. Comes to the third. After finishing their university education, the 3, not a single friend but 3 talk about friends. 3 friends started a company. What is the answer? friends. Talk about 3 friends. 3, not singular but 3, and goes to this word adding s and make into plural, friends. Number 4, add. Here given 2 number means plural, 2 zeros. How to write zeros? Last letter o, but don't write here es. What you add? Only s. How to write this? This is how we write zeros. Okay, which number? 4. Number 5, Genia wants to buy some. Here given the some means not singular, some means more than 1. Okay, some, then given the pen into s, adding s and make the word plural. Which number? 5 number answers. Number 6, Ajit at 3 stopped, not single stopped, 3 stopped. Here given potato, the last word is o. So but in this word we put es. What? We put es and change the word into plural. So number 6 answer potatoes. Okay. Number 7, the new Chinese restaurants in our locality brought 5 new, not single chef, 5 new chefs from China. The restaurants bring the what? Chefs from the China. Okay, so here given in the bracket chef. So what you add? Remove F and VES. That is wrong. Here you add only S. Previous, when I started the second chapter, I already explained about this F and FE. In this adding F and FE, some words we remove the F and FE, and some words given we do not remove it, and given the word given F and FE, we add only S. So in this word we add only S. Then comes to number 8. Mother bought a bunch, not a single, a bunch of, here given the strawberry. So this is the spelling of strawberry. Strawberry. Okay, the last letter is Y, and before that, what? Consonant given. So remove the Y and adding what? Adding IES. Okay, a bunch of strawberries. Last evening mother bought bunch of strawberries. Okay, now comes to the number 9. The blank conducted in the workshop were very helpful. See, blank conducted in the workshop. Here given the activity. But here what given? Were is given. So it's a plural form. So this word given, not a single activity done, but more than one. So here write activities. ES, remove Y and adding IES. The activities conducted in the workshop were very helpful. Now comes to the 10. Dr. Chawla's blank on nuclear power were published on the New Age journal. Dr. Chawla's theory on nuclear, theory is given one, theory on nuclear power. In the nuclear power, it's a theory, but not in singular form, it's a plural form. Were is given. So here write theory. Theory is the word, so you remove this Y. Remove this Y. And what you add? IES, theories on nuclear power. Comes to the 11. Amar baked blank of bread for our dinner party. Okay, baked blank of bread. It's a bread. What? Loaf is given. So LOA. Then what you add? Loaves. Not a single, but plural. Remove the F and adding VES. 11 number. Amar baked loaves of bread for our dinner party. So this is the answer of this. Fill in the blanks. I hope you understand it. And thank you for listening me.